Speaking English is not about memorizing words. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all you are doing great. Welcome back to another video, and if you are new here, then I want to let you know my name is Rimjhim. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into today's topic. If you are someone who can understand English but still struggle to speak it, then believe me, you have landed on the right video. Okay, so keep watching and stay tuned till the end. Actually, I want to explain this with a simple and daily example. Suppose you visit a doctor for an appointment. So the first thing you tell the doctor is your problem. Then only doctor asks for how long, because then only doctor can find the right thing, right? And then he can understand your disease and he can decide the right treatment. So the same idea we need to apply here on our English journey. I know calling it disease sounds funny, but don't take it literally. I'm not saying you are sick. I am only talking about one situation. You can understand English, but you are unable to speak, right? Already know the problem. You understand English videos, conversations, and explanations, but you are unable to speak, right? Don't worry, you are not alone. At one point, I faced the same struggle, and honestly, I believe most of the English learner goes through this same phase. Of course, when the destination is same, the struggle will be same too, right? So in this video, I am going to tell you that don't focus on your problem. You have to focus on solution, how to fix it. There is a difference. Like if you are someone who can understand but unable to speak, right? But if you stop there, then it's the big problem. But you learn how to fix it, then it's not a problem, right? Yeah, it is like a struggle. It will take time. Of course, it will take time. But believe me, you will learn and you will start speaking English fluently. Okay, because I got comment that can I speak English fluently like you? Of course you can speak. It takes the time. You can also watch some of my videos and check how I used to speak and now how I speak. Okay, you can compare. This problem exists for one main reason. Like you are consuming English, and since your childhood you just consume in your school, YouTube videos, movies. Okay, just you are understanding English, you are listening that and you are understanding, right? But you ever tried to produce? You ever tried? No, you never try to speak. You just listen those stuffs and you write, right? So what the thing happen is there, because speaking is active, right? And understanding English is passive. So you tell me that how you will start speaking if you don't know how to use English actively, right? Because you are using English passively. You are unable to understand but you are unable to speak. This is the main problem, right? So the reason is you need to speak. So how it will happen? Because since your child you are just trained to listen and understand and write, but you are never trained, your mouth is never trained to speak. So when you start speaking, your mouth freezes, you lose your confidence to speak. This is the reason. Like you never gain confidence to speak. You think when you will start speaking, you will just fumble, okay, and you will be unable to speak. You start thinking about mistakes. I came back to my home and now it's time to tell you. It means I want to share important part of this video. Solution. Okay, how to fix this problem. You can't speak English, it doesn't mean you are weak or you are bad at English. Okay, it has not this meaning. It has only one meaning, that you are unable to use English actively because your brain is only able to recognize words, right? Unable to speak, and your mouth is unable to speak because our brain doesn't speak, our mouth speak, right? So the thing I want to say is I am going to give you rules, solution step by step. Okay, so the step number one, start treatment in small doses. Like, remember doctor example. I am not going to talk about disease, it's your English. You have to make plan, okay? Don't make a hectic plan. Just make a plan for a week, that how you are going to work on your English. Then another week, then for a month, okay? Don't be rush. Don't be rushed to learn and to start speak English, okay? You don't need to be rush. You don't need to start speaking English just in one day. It is a gradual process. Become like a patient who takes medicine every day. Because if you want to learn how to speak English, then you need to become like a patient. Okay. If you skip just one day, it means you are going to pay for that. So you need to become like a patient because you want to recover, right? Like a patient, he wants to recover, so he takes medicine regularly. So you need to do the same. You need to practice every day, okay? You have to give just 5 minutes every day, at least for 21 days. After that, it will become your habit to speak English, okay? After that, every day 5 minutes, you will start thinking in English, you will start speaking in English automatically, okay? But you need to do it continuously for 21 days, okay? And the next step is start speaking English actively. But how you can start speaking English actively? Okay, after listening 10 minutes every day, after watching 10 minutes every day, you have to speak that same thing, you have to explain that same thing, okay? And you have to speak out loud. I'm not saying you to find any topic, okay, essay topic. No, I'm just saying you to do one thing. Whatever you are watching, whatever you are listening, just try to explain that only for 5 minutes. Friends, if you are getting any background noise, please avoid it, okay? Ignore it. Just focus on main content. So step 4, it's about mistakes. Allow mistakes, because mistakes are something that tells you yes, you are learning, my dear. And next important step, it is about practice. First, practice in private before public use, okay? You have to record your voice. After that, check that yes, where you are making mistakes. And next, you have to talk to yourself. I know it sounds really weird, but you have to do it, okay? And the next important step, it is about perfection. Actually, what most of the learners do, actually, if you are someone who understand but can't speak, it means you are just waiting for perfection, right? You are waiting to become perfect. But trust me, perfection doesn't exist. If you want to speak but you are waiting for right word, right grammar, perfect grammar, everything should be perfect, then you can't speak. Broken English is better than your silence, okay? Your tongue needs daily speaking English practice. So this is about today's topic. I hope you liked my video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye. No, one more thing, if you want to learn English, then join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description box. Now finally, bye.